Java 1, Emily Lives, Spring 2023. My final project is a grade calculator. What I really like about it is that I am able to apply what I've learned in class and create my own project with it. The main features I created for my projects are users can enter their current grade, the grade they want, and the weight of the final grade. My calculator calculates how much the user needs to get for their final grade to reach their desired grade. How I created my project. I used Java Swing to build my project. During class, I learned different types of variables, such as strings, integers, doubles, and characters, if-else statements, while loops, and many more things which I used in my project. Number 1, strings. Strings are a data type that is typed in parentheses that allows us to collect information from the user that is in words. Number 2, doubles. Doubles are a data type that is basically an integer, but it's a decimal instead. And number 3, if-else statements. If-else statements are used to identify which way the code wants to go. For example, if this is what happened, this is what will happen next. Else, this will happen. Code example. Here's an example of the code I wrote for my project. This code, the first line is a comment about what the second line is, where we convert the current grade, that is a string, to a new variable that is a double. The second line is basically the same thing, but with the desired grade string. And the third line is with the final grade string. Demo. I already ran my code, and this is the output. So let's say my current grade is 92. My desired grade is 100, and my final grade is 10%. Calculate what I need on the final grade.
You can make it bigger, Emily. Go to the square. Yeah.
It's slow.
Oh, you didn't put the success when it's printed out on the windows.
The what?
This one. Okay. Give me 1 second. You forget to put the slider code. Set the text when this one. I think you accidentally deleted. Now you can run it again.
$92, 100. And it says you need at least a 92.8% on the final exam to get 100 in the class. Next steps. My favorite part about working on this project was converting one type of variable to another and printing and collecting information from the user. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add these things. a if else statement. So if the score the user needs to reach is above 100%, it asks the user to set a new goal for themselves because that's not exactly possible unless there's extra credit. Make the code so that it can also calculate their current GPA, and make the code so that it can also calculate their letter grade.
Very
Thank you.
good.